This is a rest house at Barot Valley, and I will show you the beauty of this rest house. It is completely made by the wood of Devdar, and you can see this is the entry where it is made by some king basically. So this is a sitting area. You can see all the walls and roof is made up of wood, Devdar wood, a local tree. This is a chimney. See, now we are entering. See, there's some garden sort of thing. Yeah, and here we are entering into the bedroom. See, this is a chimney which is like connected with this one on the other room. Like you can see, it's been. See, so whenever any minister of Himachal Pradesh comes, he used to live here. See, you can see the beautiful place. Now I am entering into the washroom area. You can see even the best of the best 5-star or 7-star hotels won't be this kind of facility. And this is a cupboard. See, now here the washroom area, toilet geyser is there. It's all made up of wood. It's beautiful. So so whenever you wish to come to Barot, try to live in this rest house and you will enjoy.